It's dark.
Looks nice in there.
Welcome to American Roots.
We just got back to the property. We decided to come up here and spend some time and say goodbye to my brother.
4-foot level for Addie.
So we are just getting everything brought in. We left all of our sleeping stuff up there. We are getting everything loaded in so we can camp for the night. We made the trip in one shot. That was super awesome to know that we could drive the drive all at once without stopping. So we were able to make it on $210 in gas. So that's super awesome. With a full load. We brought the floor with us.
Time for bed. Night.
So we are going to get the floor laid. We decided we had the materials, we were gonna bring it up. So that's one of the things on the to-do list. The other thing is to get the door put in, joining the kitchen and the living room on the tiny house. And then we were going to talk about rain gutters, and we also bought a wood burning stove. So we're going to put that in. So that's super exciting as well. We have a lot of stuff that we want to get going, and the weather just happens to be crazy nice right now. So we're talking about like 70 degrees, 60 degrees. That's crazy right now in fall. So we're going to take advantage of it. There's a lot going on in my family. I appreciate everybody's prayers. And we are just moving forward. My brother went to be with the Lord. So we're just happy that he's not suffering anymore. And we know where he is. So we're going to take this time to just kind of breathe. And my brother was a tile layer, so I guess in memory of him, we're going to lay our floor. So, yeah. That's kind of my plan. My husband was kind enough to bring me home